Hello guys, my name is Nachiket. You join me on my channel MOCHA DRIVES, and if like me you like cars, we're going to enjoy what we are about to start. We're going to have some crazy adventures together, and the purpose of this channel is to have long drives in search of great coffee. So let's get started, and we're going to have some crazy adventures together.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. 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 So guys, behind me is an empty parking lot, and it's about time that I get a car for myself. But I don't want to buy just another regular car, as most of my viewers are going to be car enthusiasts. So we are going to go the long mile. No, but within our budget, we are going to make sure we don't end up spending